Today talk about economic importance of algae presented by Dr. M. Ramachandran. Algae as a food and feed. Algal species are intimately connected with the human being as a source of food, medicines and other uses. Algae are taken an active role in human being. Algae is one of the primary producers. Algae are main oxygen producers in aquatic areas. They are also useful in decreasing water pollution by releasing of oxygen. The 10% of photosynthesis is occurred by the algae in total photosynthetic quantity. Algae as a food. Algal species are used as a food in several countries in several forms. Algal species have contain proteins, vitamins A, B, C and E and other component of lipids and minerals are present. The Laminaria species is the important edible seaweed in Japan and the food item namely kombu is prepared from it. Anori from Monostroma asakusa nori from Parboira are prepared in different countries. Porboira 35% of proteins, 45% of carbohydrate, vitamins B and C and niacin. Nostoc is the used as a food material in South America. Algae as food and fodder for cattle. Rhodomenia palmate is used as food for sheep in Norway. Laminaria saccharina, Pelvetia, Ascopylum in other species. Some of these species are used as food and food for cattle. The another one is algae as a fertilizer. The blue-green algae are biofertilizer from olden days. The nostoc, Achelotauria, spirulina, and other blue-green algae are used as a biofertilizer to rice and other field conditions. All this algae are fixed the atmosphere nitrogen into the soil. Cultivation of spirulina is gaining and important as feed for fish, poultry and cattle. Algae in pisciculture. Sea algae are used as a food for fishes, so they play an important role in pisciculture. Some of the green algae are diatoms or etc. Algal in reclamation of alkaline or user soil. Our country has more number of alkaline soils are presented in our country. The blue-green algae like nostoc, Achelotauria, spirulina are modified the soil into the fertile soil because they are fixed nitrogen into the soil from the atmosphere nitrogen. They fixed nitrogen 40 kgs in a per year. The soil aeration is also reduced. Algae is in industries. Iodine industries is mainly dependent upon algae. Algae belong to Phaeophyceae like Laminaria, Euglenia, Elsinia, etc. are used in industries to prepare iodine in industries. The Pylopora is to prepare iodine in Russian countries. The another one is alginate. The alginates are the salted of the alginic acid found in cell wall of Phaeophyceae. Alginate are extracted from Ficus, Laminaria, Macrocytist and Euglenia. Alginates are used in the preparation of flame-proof fabrics, plastic, paints, etc. The another one is agar-agar. Agar-agar is a jelly-like substance of great economic value product. It is obtained from certain some of the red algae like Gelidium, Gracilaria, species. Agar Agar is used as a culture medium for growing callus in tissue culture method, the best known as a solidifying component of bacteriological culture media. It is also used in canning meat, fish, and poultry, in cosmetics, medicines, and other sources, as a clarifying agent in brewing and wine making, as a thickening agent in ice cream, pastries, dessert, and salad dressing, and as a wire drawing lubricant. The agar-agar is isolated from the algae as an amorphous translucent product, sold as powder, flask, or bricks. Although agar is insoluble in cold water, it is absorbed as much 20 times of its own weight. It dissolved readily in boiling water. A dilute solution is still liquid 42 degrees Celsius, but solidifying at 37 degrees Celsius into the firm cell. Um, in its natural state, agar occurs as a complex cell wall constituent containing the polysaccharide agarose with sulfate and calcium. Another one is carrageenum. Carrageenum is a made up of part of various red seaweeds in the Rhodopoaceae family. It is commonly used thicken food, but it has no nutritional value. Carrageen has been added to processed foods since the 1950s. The carrageenum might also help fight infection. People saw carrageenum for use in cough, common cold, and other conditions. There is no good scientific evidence to support any uses. Another one is diatomite. Diatomite deposit at marine and freshwater areas. They are rich in with silica. The silica content is a diatomite. It is called as diatomite. It is used in the preparation of diatomite in olden days, but nowadays it is used in different industries like glass, metal polishing paint, toothpaste, etc. etc. It is extracted from cell walls of red algae like Chondros and Gigardina. It is polysaccharide ester filled with a sulfate. It is used a emulsifier in pharmaceutical industries and also in textiles, leather industries, cosmetics, and brewing industries. Algae is a source of biofuel. Algae is biofuel is alternative to fossil fuel, which is generated by specific algae species from carbon dioxide. The algal species are primarily unicellular, or diatom is microalgae that produce high carbohydrate composition suitable for